Hello, this is Sharonda Davis, and I am within my module 6. So I can tell you right now that I started off in my public controller for my calculation of my residential, commercial, and industrial calculations. So here is my VS Code, and here we have calculate residential quote. And so if you scroll on down, I have the building type. So we have the apartments, floors, elevators, occupancy, and tiers. So the tiers would be the standard, premium, and exilium. And so all of that basically is down here where I have standard, premium, and exilium. So these are my valid tiers. And then this is for my floors. And then if there's an error, they send me an error status. Same thing for my elevators, occupancy, and then so this is residential area, this is my commercial area, and this is my industrial area. So it's building. So I got the building categories all the way down. So the elevators required, and the total cost, the residential elevators, maximum number of floors, apartments, all of that. So all of my calculations are here to go into the actual quote, which is here. And I'm going to do a residential quote with a number of floors being maybe 3, and then the number of apartments, just gonna do by example, like 20 apartments. So it's telling me I need 2 elevators, and then the standard, price, premium, exilium works. Same thing with my commercial. If I put in 5 floors, and I'm going to 20, just picking a number here, and it changes just to let you know that it all works. And my industrial, number of elevators, just put 3, standard, premium, exilium, and there's the different cost that changes. Okay, so my next thing that I had to do on my endpoints, let's see, we did all of those. Now I am going to utilize my residential page. So let me show you that I did, let's see, create my agents. So my agents are created here. So it shows you that I can create my agents. And I did my calculation here, and it shows you that I can get a response on my calculations and my contact us. So here we are, and this is on my Postman. So everything is showing you that I am getting the right response. On my MongoDB, which I thought it was already up. It probably is. It's just over here. Okay, so on my MongoDB, My agents on my MongoDB are inserted here. And so I have all my agents in there. So my agents are there in my MongoDB that I've added in. So that is working on that end. On my Contact Us form, Contact Us, hold on, let me go to my code first. And then my code is here for my Contact Us. And so this is operating this form. Pick commercial, and then I send, it gives me a message. So it is working. And it also gives me an API call here that says it's working here. So it's giving me, I'm getting all my API calls in my server from my calls. So just letting you know that. And then let's see, also residential, so my residential HTML, let me just HTML, and now we're looking for the table, which is, hold on, it's in here. Here it is, which is my table. And so my table is here. And if I scroll down, it has all the filters of my table that I copied out of my module 3. So I took that, I created the residential JS form. And so here, basically, is my URL that connects. So I did a fetch data, and so that is creating the fetch of the data for the table, and then this is creating the agents and everything that I need. This is color coding everything by value of the performance, and then these are the color code. I console logged them because I was having trouble at first getting the color to come on to the website, so I console logged it just to make sure it was working, so I kept it there, and then I did the color scheme on the side. But then I added the class to get the color for each section. And so with that result and all of this added in, I was able to, and let's go to that part, which is my residential page, get all of this. Voila! So I have first name, last name, rating, fee, and filter by region. And so my filter by region can be subjected to north, south, east, and west. So, and then I can do all regions. And so we have the color code in there as well. And that was it. I did do a test for extra credit, and let me show you that really quick. And that's in my test here. And I just have to call the test here. which is test, I think. Oh, I gotta turn my server off. Control C. And then I have to do, oh goodness, I think it's npm test. Okay, there's my call for my test, and here's my error. So if I turn my server back on, everything is connected and connected to my MongoDB. So that concludes my Module 6. Thank you. Yay!